So I finally decided to stop being lazy and take the windshield out of this thing. So I got my blanket here to protect the race pack and all the stuff in there. The rot, it's pretty much what I expected. You know, the car's leaky. The side's a little bit worse than the other one, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, the metal's pretty easy to replicate. You know, it's just pretty much right angle. So once that's all fixed, I'll get a new windshield in it. Okay, so I've ground off all the metal around here, and I previously had some fiberglass over that rust. I didn't know how to weld at the time, so that was the best solution I had. It wasn't such a good solution. Anyway, just wanted to get some good footage showing the extent of the rust. Pretty bad, but luckily I have this other piece that used to go right here in the car, and I feel like this stuff will be a good substitute. Here's this side. Alright, next shot should be work in progress. So now I've cut away all the excess rust and tried to grind down a little bit on the inside there and get the focus. There we go. That's going to be a little bit tougher to get into. It's a tight spot. And I realized I forgot to order 023 wire a while ago, so I have to wait for that to come in the mail. Here's the finished product of the rust repair. I think it came out pretty nice, especially since it was achieved just using my hands and a vise. On these upward holes here, I'll just be filling it in with Bondo. The side looks pretty good too. Fill in the low area with Bondo again.